The world is rapidly embracing the simplicity and cost efficiencies of virtualization. With cloud-based wireless LAN control expected to be the most used model by 2015, the future of networking technologies will require a solution combining proven wireless expertise and the benefits of virtualization. Introducing the VX9000, the world's first scalable, virtualized software-based wireless LAN controller. With the VX9000, enterprises can deploy a high-performance, high-availability wireless LAN faster, more easily, and more cost-effectively than ever before. It can be installed on any server, with all the leading commercially available hypervisors. And it offers an entirely new level of deployment flexibility, providing organizations with 3 choices that fit different budgets and existing networking strategies. So large enterprises can run multiple virtual instances on a single server in the data center. No data center? Go hosted. Lease a server in the cloud for a monthly fee and install the VX9000. You manage it, so you're in complete control of your wireless LAN. Or run the controller as a software-based service. No server to purchase and no hardware to manage. Instead, you get VX9000 functionality for a low monthly fee. And just how many access points can one VX9000 control? As many as you'll ever need. Better performance, more flexibility, lower cost. The VX9000, the world's first scalable virtualized wireless LAN controller.